Vlog-wise, but I am excited to kind of be back and sharing a bit more. So it's Monday and it is about 10 to 10. Did the school run and I literally came back probably an hour ago. Did baby's feed and got him down, jumped in the shower, and literally as I've come out and moisturising and everything, I can hear him babbling, so I was going to do some tidying, make my bed and just start the day, but alas, duty calls. So yeah, basically I am going to be sharing a little bit about my week and what that looks like, so come along and see what our family gets up to. I'm still on maternity leave. My partner's off to work, starts early morning, and then our eldest goes to school. So yeah, it's kind of what our life looks like, our days, our evenings, and everything in between. Hello, you. Hi. Peekaboo. Hi. That was a quick nap. Yeah, that was a quick nap. We're post breakfast, and honestly, somebody looks like a steak. So I always do breakfast first and then bath time, because he's trying to grab everything, and he'd normally be in a high chair, but I was feeling a bit lazy. But I'm definitely going to pay for it because there's just so much to clean now. So yeah, straight into the bath.
Of people that watch this channel didn't subscribe. We're now down to 60.
Okay, so I've done a few chores around the house and it is 1:30, so baby's down for another nap. And I'm just going to quickly do my face, literally in like 5 minutes, just to feel like a bit more put together and presentable. Maybe I might create some content while I do that, and then actually get dressed again and make sure that we're ready in time for the school run. I've got a shop to go to put some of first one's initials onto his jumper. They always go missing, and I just feel like some parents just don't bring them back even if they have a label. So if his initials are on the front, you can't steal it. But yeah, quick check-in. Back home after the school run and everything else. I did a quick dash to our local Sainsbury's because I needed to get some weaning essentials, and I grabbed things.
A ninja light!
Porridge, yeah, and this porridge as well, along with some other little bits and milk. So little one doesn't really like formula,
and say
really
my
keen,
thing.
and so it's really,
say
really
my
hard.
thing.
And Riley got a magazine. It's been really, really hard. He's a little bit moody, and I've literally just got off the sofa now. Well, it's coming up to 6:30.
It's hard.
So this one's now in PJs, but dinner-wise, I've had to ask my hubby.
It's nearly 6:30 and 7:30 and 8:30. I remember.
Friday.
Yeah.
Do you want mummy to go record this somewhere else? Is mummy recording and you keep talking? Yeah, so I've asked hubby to grab something that I can either chuck in the oven or he can chuck in the oven instead of me making dinner, because little one with teething and everything else that's going on, I just feel like he needs like a little bit more TLC. So today he literally wouldn't sleep unless he was being held or having a lot of sleep regression. But we have had a good day, so now that baby's down, we're gonna have mummy and
Rally time!
oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
oh yeah,
Oh yes.
oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh
Guys,
yeah.
it's a Tuesday and things haven't really gone according to plan. Did school run and everything just fine, and I was hoping to take littlest to a playgroup for an hour, bless him. So we've come back in, got him ready, got him changed, like did breakfast, and he's currently weaning into porridges and stuff. So after breakfast he had a little feed and literally he has been knocked out since. So I'm kind of like, oh, I wanted to get him out, and because it's raining it would have been so much nicer to do something indoors. However, while he's sleeping there's an opportunity to actually clear out. So we went on holiday in December. We had Christmas in the sun in Zimbabwe and Botswana, and as much as it feels like it's been a while, because now we're like the second week of Jan, I feel like I haven't really unpacked properly, finished doing all my washes, like putting the clothes away, ironing the boys' clothes. So I feel like this is an opportunity to just blitz on housework and crack on with everything and try my best to get a head start. I've got quite a few things, like just behind me I've got like the loft pile and it literally goes all the way down to the floor. So I've got these clear containers and I put all the boys' old clothes in there, I label them, and ideally the bits that I'm putting in from my eldest will then go to my youngest. But in between in the family I've got 2 nephews, one that's 3 and one that's like 10-11 months. So if there are things that are needed, people can kind of like pick and choose, no pressure. But yeah, so doing lots of that, doing lots of clearing out, and hopefully he'll stay asleep for long because we've had some regression. But yeah, that's pretty much it today. So I'll show you snippets of kind of like what I'm getting up to as I organise and tidy everything. I hope you're having a lovely day while you're watching this, or evening, wherever you are. It's been a really good afternoon. I was able to film some sit down content. I've got some stuff here. My little one was napping for much longer, so I managed to put a face on, film. Hopefully I'll be able to edit, and then I have an extra hour now just to tidy up and do some things before I do the school run. There's an after school club, so it gives me like an extra hour. And then hopefully I can crack on with dinner. I haven't got a clue what I'm going to put on tonight, but I'm going to see. just parked up to go to my mum's, and it's pretty close. She literally lives on the same road as me, but I've got all the bits and bobs, and I've got a little one in the back, so I'm gonna quickly catch up with them. They've just come back from holiday in Zimbabwe, so they stayed for a couple of extra weeks after we came back. So yeah, gonna get some quality time, get all the nibbles and see what they've packed, and I'm excited. And then I'm still gonna have to like jump out and do the school run.